In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel an e-transfer on Scotia Bank using the working method. Let's get started. First, log into your Scotia Bank online banking or the mobile app. On the home screen, tap on the Move Money option. Next, select Interac e-transfer. You'll see several options like Send, Request, and Manage. For canceling a transfer, tap on Manage. Here, you will find a list of your ongoing e-transfer transactions. Select the one you want to cancel. Once you have chosen the transaction, tap on Cancel this transfer. You will then be asked where you would like the cancelled funds to be deposited back into. Simply select your desired account. After that, click Deposit and the money will be returned to your account. Finally, tap Finish to complete the cancellation process, and that's it. You have successfully cancelled your e-transfer on Scotia Bank. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.